Legion, she's here. She's on me. Well, that's good then, I guess, in a way.
Stay the fuck away from me.
Healing? This generator's almost done too.
Oh, fart. I can't believe I just did what I did there.
Get up and go.
Go, go! Oh my god, all four of us made it again!
There we go. I'm making sure everyone
Bye,
gets
bye.
out today. Yeah, bye
Fucking idiot. You've been meatballed.
Lee!
What?
Oh no.
Keep opening the door. Don't stop.
I died again! What the fuck?
How did he instant
Everybody,
board?
yeah, that is actually really weird.
Oh my god, it's PK Myers. It's PK Myers.
Damn it. That's such bullshit.
It's a lot of
Oh,
shite.
wait, hold on. There we go. Nani?
Thank you.
Nani?
Nani.
Nani? I'm coming, Nani.
Nani?
He's probably gonna stay there then. But you probably have a good chance to save him then.
I just blinded him. Oh my god, it's gonna work.
Wow.
Oh, yeah! Did it. You the man. You the man right there. You did it. You're very good, you. You showed up today. Who showed up to work? You showed up for work. Yes.
We're both gonna go back on the hook.
Oh shit.
Whoa! Nice throw! You know what I see in front of me? Two crows.
See you guys later.
Oh shit.
You're all together like a bunch of dumbasses. Just
I can heal myself, by the way. Oh, he off, you son of a bitch.
Oh no. You're all on the hook.
Oh,
Going to Jeeves.
that was a beautiful synchronic death sweep.
Oh god, I think I just lost him. Yes.
Why don't you turn your camera around there, Boyle?
No, because I literally only have one angle that he can come at me from.
Yeah, I think they found it.
How did he get up there? Like what?
I guarantee you I know who that was.
Mr. Homolka?
Yeah.
Oh god!
Get out. Everybody leave.
Go, Lori! Go, baby!
Running.
Oh, go, go!
Crawl, crawl, crawl.
Did he make it?
Oh my god.
Oh, he made it.
He's gonna get me. That's alright.
He's gonna be blind. That's what he's gonna be. Oh no, he's not blind. Somebody blind this madman. Get in front of him. Ah! Why won't he drop? Oh, everybody
Yes,
go, go.
I got it. I got it. I got it.
Holy shit. You got bamboozled.
I got it.
Wow.
I got it.
Yeah, I heard the swirling of it and I think he was like right there.
Maybe you'll get out.
Oh no.
Oh, this little bastard.
You little
Come on, you little dick.
I've never seen that happen. That is the best thing ever. Oh,
It was a good fight.
dude, I wouldn't even be mad. I honestly wouldn't even be mad at that.